Oi! I asked you to protect people, why you go and kill the person?
Boss, I'm here already. I'm at the rooftop.
Good. I'm watching from the other side. Are you ready?
Actually, boss, what you want me to do?
Aiyo, I asked you to come here to protect somebody lah. But what you think I want you to do?
Okay, then who you want me to shoot?
Aiyo, what shoot lah? Shoot your 很精兵啦. You look down first. You look down and you tell me what you see.
I see two people walking down the street.
Okay, get ready. You see the person on your left? Okay, I tell you the left side, right? That one, the girl, right? Got $120,000 from Renopedia, she engaged an interior designer, right? After that, she renovated her house. After that, was she's so lucky. She's one of the 10 lucky winner, and she's the top prize winner. She win $20,000. What say?
I mean...
I asked you to protect people, why you go and kill the person?
Want to be one of the lucky draw winners? Sign up and renovate with Renopedia. You will stand a chance to win up to $50,000. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.